Hello everyone, I'm out of breath. What's good? It's Desiree, and today we're going to be doing a Shein haul. I was trying to do this in the sunlight, but the sunlight is obviously going down, but hopefully y'all can still see me. The lighting might change because, I still have to record the outfits and stuff like that. The sunlight is gone, boo. So we'll make it work. I hope you all enjoy the video of my Shein almost $500 haul. Y'all know me. I would never take out the time to make a YouTube video about something I don't even like. Can't nobody pay me no amount of, well, as of right now though, no, I would not lie. I'm not that type of person. I'm a very honest, open person. If I don't like something, I don't like it. If I like it, I like it, and that's it. I hope you see something in this video that you like, or something that fits your style. And if you do like something, make sure you put it in the comments. Tell me what you do like, because I'm trying to see.
So this is the first outfit that I obviously couldn't take out the bag because I'm obviously wearing it. But the pants, the belt, and the shirt is from Shein.
I try to put my projector behind me so it can make like a blank background, but obviously it's not coming down further enough, and I'm already out of breath. I'm sorry y'all, the videos will get better as I start making videos again. I promise you, I'm putting in the most effort. It's just tired, okay? It's quarantine. I haven't worked out. I'm just kidding, it's not because of quarantine. I never work out. Anyways, the first item I got is these jeans. And I actually love these jeans, but it's like, I don't know, on my body, my waist is very small. My hips and my waist is slim, but my butt and my thighs come out more. I don't know if anybody else has that problem. Some things fit me in the waist and then not in the legs and the thighs, but these fit me in my thighs and my butt, but my waist, no ma'am. But these are how they look. They're super cute. I'll insert a picture right here of how they look. The sun is bright, babes. Now it's too dark. Child is bright. Anyways, sometimes, and this is my honest opinion of Shein or Shein, it's actually pronounced Shein because I remember a long time ago, like I remember them first coming out and it was called Shein Side. So that's just some tea. If you hear somebody calling it Shein, baby, get out. It's hot. It's ultimate. Oh, I'm gonna insert the clip of what I'm talking about.
Whew! It is hot as a witch's coochie out.
Yeah. The next thing I got is this two-piece. It's pink. It comes with a crop top and it comes with pants. I'm gonna talk really fast because everybody else is talking and I really don't have time to fight to talk.
So this part is going to be muted because everyone's being extremely loud, and this was the only part of the house that had sunlight, so I had to sit and record my video right here. But this was my favorite swimsuit. It's very comfortable, it fits extremely well, and I love it. 2 pieces.
But the next thing I got was this bikini right here. It's a velvet bikini. It's really, really cute. It looks like a thong, but the way my butt is shaped, it's not really a thong. The top is super cute. I love this swimsuit. The butterfly swimsuit and this velvet swimsuit is literally my favorite one. I'll put the top on with some sweatpants, but again, I'm not going to show the bottoms on YouTube because I'm not even monetized yet. By the time this video goes up, hopefully I have 1,000 subscribers. I don't know. But we're trying to get monetized, and we don't want to get demonetized by having booty on Instagram and YouTube. The thing I got is this shirt, and I'll show you the picture of how it was supposed to look, but I'm not really a fan of the material. I thought this was going to be like a cotton type shirt, and it's not. And when I zipped it down, the zipper got stuck, so I'm not even able to try it on because I didn't even get to try it on because the zipper got stuck. Like, I zipped it down so I can put it over my head and it got stuck. So I don't know. I recommend everything else, but this no ma'am. The next bikini I have is this one right here. It's super duper cute. When I saw it online, I thought this was gonna be my favorite one, but actually my favorite one is the velvet one and the butterfly one. Those are my two favorite. I love those. But this is the bikini top. It's super duper cute. When I first saw the bottoms, actually I thought it was upside down because, girl, a thong, babe, a whole thong, like a thong. Some people may like thongs. I mean, there's no problem with the thongs, but it's just like, I don't know, like, I'm not trying to be on demon time, you see what I'm trying to say? I'm just trying to go to the pool or the beach. But it's super cute. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up pairing this just like with something like this. I'll probably end up, since it's like no sleeves on or anything like that, I'll probably wear it and put like a denim jacket on top of it. The next thing I got were these jeans, and honestly, I love Shein's jeans because they have a large, and I mean large, girl, I mean large selection of jeans. I love unique looking clothes. Like, I don't like basic simple clothes, but I got these. They're like paisley printed denim, and they're so freaking cute. I insert all the sizes of all the clothes because I know it's kind of hard to like find your size. So if you have a body like me, then you can go from my measurements. But these are the jeans. I love them so much. When you buy stuff from Shein, it kind of has like a bleach smell, but like, I'm a germaphobe, so it doesn't really bother me because that means my clothes are clean. I mean, you're supposed to wash your clothes after you order them, like, but still, like, when you first get them, they smell like bleach. But like, it's fine to me. Like, it's not a strong odor of bleach, but if you put it up to your nose like that, like, yeah, you can smell it. But these are definitely cute. These are actually bootcut jeans, and I usually don't like bootcut jeans, but I don't know, the older I get, I don't really care. I just like fun jeans like this. Like, even when you fold them up, they look so freaking cute. Like, of course I was gonna buy them. I also got a white set and I got a blue set, but they're in the laundry because as soon as I opened the boxes, oh girl, I fell in love with it. Like, I had to wear it. Like, I could not save it for a video because all this stuff has been sitting in a box until I was ready to record a video, and until I got all my packages and stuff. And y'all, I couldn't wait for those. I did take a picture in it. I think for the blue set I took a video in it, but that lounge set is so nice, y'all. Like, the material, like, I know y'all know what material this is. Y'all know the paisley print leggings that make the booty look good. Yes, that's the kind of material it is. It's super soft, super stretchy, and the top has adjustable straps. It's so freaking comfortable. This, I'm gonna put this at the top of the links because this is something you should really get. These are super cute. If you are someone who wants your shape, because a lot of people think they don't like their shape, but it's not that you don't like your shape. You just have to find things that complement your shape. And don't ever take any criticism for your shape because people are a-holes, for one. People are going to tell you all different types of stuff about you. I've had people say I look skinny, anorexic, blah, blah, blah. Don't nobody care, baby. Don't nobody care. Just shut up. Nobody cares. Listen, nobody cares. If somebody tells you something negative about your body, then they're hating. Because why would I care about something you like when you don't even like yourself? Yeah, shut up. Thank you.
Basically what I was saying is the scrunchie on the pants make your butt look bigger and it complements your shape.
These pants are super cute, but they're super long at the top. Like, I don't really understand why they made it. Like, you can see how, like, look. Like, it's not supposed to be this long up here. I think they made it too long. Like, they could have kept it right there. Because this is the inseam right here. And then this is the waist. And it literally comes all the way up here. When you see me try it on, you're going to see me fold it down. That's why I fold it down. It's because it's really long. You can still get it and get it tailored. I was going to tailor it myself because I'm a seamstress. I can do it myself. I got those to match with this shirt, which this shirt is so cute. I'm going to get it in every color. And I'm really not playing with you. If you see my Instagram and you see me wearing this shirt in every color, yes, baby, I got it in every color because I needed it in every color. It's a top like this, and then the sleeves go like this. It's like, it gives me like peasant vibes, like cute peasant or something like that, even though I would never be. But anyway, I put it on, it reminded me of like those Roman paintings and stuff like that. Super cute. I also got this green shirt right here. This is also a tie top, so it's kind of hard to like show you, but the material is really nice. I'm gonna try to number everything, number by number, and put the links in there by number, because I hate when I'm looking for something in the description of somebody's video and I have to go through a bunch of links. But this is a top. I really like green on me. This is like a warm tone green. You can make it a cool tone green, but I wanted to do warm, so I would wear gold jewelry. So I did buy a gold waist chain to go with this. I got these blue jeans that I'm wearing right now with this top to go with this. I got this top to go with these pants right here, but I didn't like how it went, so actually these pants go best with that. The next thing that I got was actually a denim jacket, and it looks like this. Let me unbutton it first. Pat. Whoa, dang. Could it be harder to unbutton? I got this jacket right here. This jacket is really cute. It's like distressed everywhere. Even the sleeves actually puff out. Ugh, the sleeves. The sleeves actually puff out, but since it's been in the package, it's not puffed. This is how it looks. It's super cute. I feel like it looked like something a bridal would wear, so I definitely got it. So I actually got this jacket to match with these pants. These are also distressed pants. And something with Shein, I order all my pants in small and extra small, but sometimes I still have to shrink them. If you want me to make a video of how to shrink jeans and stuff like that, I will. But here are the pants. The pants are super cute. As you can see, it goes like really well. Like it literally looks like a set. I thought these jeans were super cute. I just like the fact that they're green. They were more green than this, like they're super green, but I had to put them in a washer to shrink them as well. But yeah, they're super cute. I don't really know what I'm gonna pair them with yet, because I literally just got them just because they were green. I thought they were cute. You know, there's just pieces where you know you don't have anything to match it, but you buy it anyway just so you can have it. Yeah. This top actually came as a bikini top, but I did not like the bikini that it came with. This is the top for it. I mean, it's really simple, but I would suggest to size up for bikinis because I wear a size small. But for Shein, I would suggest getting a medium because this fits like a child's bikini. These are the bottoms, and you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, Desiree, this is the back, this is the front. No, this is the front, and this is the back. And exactly how it looks, really confusing, is how it fits. And like these straps are not, you see how it's not centered? Like it's not centered at all. It doesn't fit right. Like it looks lopsided. Maybe I just didn't know how to put it on. I don't freaking know. Let me get further. You can even see right there, like it doesn't cover all the females now. It's not a belt, it's a waist chain. And I love waist chains. And this is one of them. It has like, it's supposed to be like Versace, like it's a little embellishment on it. Of course it's not Versace, but fake it till you make it. And it has a little coin at the bottom. But wait, there's more. What DJ Khaled say? He said
another one.
This one is a thinner chain, as you can see. This is like a thick chain, and this is a thinner chain. And this one has a double layer, like it's layered like this. So when you put it around your waist, it layers itself. And this one also has a little coin at the end of it and up here as well. Next two things I got are these glasses, which they come in really cute cases. I was really surprised when I seen the case that they came in. Like I thought that they would be like really cheap or something like that. I don't know. Well, I didn't think they were gonna be cheap. I just didn't think they were gonna come in cases. And if they did come in cases, I didn't think they would be like this. It comes in a plastic bag. I just ripped it off like super fast. You can tell I'm used to opening packages. But it comes in a plastic bag, and it comes with this plastic wrap around it. And usually it comes with plastic right here, but I snatched it. These are how these look. I think they're cute. I got them in clear because they match everything that I have, especially like stuff like this. The next pair of glasses is these. The glasses I got. These are actually bigger than I expected them to be. I thought they were gonna be smaller than this. Like, I don't know. I can't explain what I thought. My brain just didn't think they were gonna be this big. I actually haven't seen how these look. I feel like this would be cute, like a ponytail, like a high ponytail or something like that. So another swimsuit I got is this. This is another swimsuit that I didn't really like the sizing in. I wish I got it in a medium because again, I mean it fit, but it like squeezed my breasts together, and I don't really like that look. But I love the swimsuit. Like I love the pattern. As you can tell, I like old Versace like type of things. I don't know what their bottom is, but the bottoms, I definitely hate the bottoms. I did not like the bottoms at all. Those bottoms fit like kid bottoms, and they shape, I don't know, it just made me look like I had a like senior citizen booty. But the next thing I got is this green dress. This is another wrench thing, I would suggest people who want to insinuate their shape or insinuate their butt, get things with this type of material because it really complements the butt. It makes you look like you have more of a shape. I'm not saying it makes you look like you have a shape because you need something to work with, but I'm saying it insinuates it. But these are the straps. It's like chains, and then it's like these parts like lay right here, and then the part ties around your neck. It is an open back dress, and it's very, 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 very long, like super long, and then it has a split. Next thing I got is this tie top shirt, and I love tie top shirts because, you know, they just look cute to me. It's a bell bottom sleeve. I don't really know what the correct term for this is, but I like to call it a bell bottom sleeve. And I actually got this to match with bell bottoms. It says amazing Mr. Fox instead of fantastic Mr. Fox. Okay, material is really like nice, and that's something I like about the material that they use for Shein, especially with the jeans and stuff. Their jeans, like, they feel like actual jeans. It doesn't feel like, you know, you buy jeans and they feel like cheap, and they don't feel like durable jeans. They feel like leggings or something like that. Like rainbow clothes, like, have y'all ever went to Rainbow and just felt the cheapness of it? I mean, there's nothing wrong if you shop at Rainbow, but if you shop at Rainbow, then you know how the material and stuff feels there, and that's just not this. This feels like these jeans are jeans, and they stretch. You see that stretch? You see that stretch. Girl, you see that stretch. Stop playing. So these are another pair I got. You may look at these jeans and you might think, those are the same jeans that you're wearing right now. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, get up on your fashion. Get up on your fashion. These are also bell-bottom blue jeans, but these have frayed ends, and the bell-bottom part is way wider. These are bell-bottoms, but the bell-bottom part is more neutral. I don't know if you can see the difference, but it's a humongous difference. Anyway, ooh, that's the end of the day sun right there. That's pretty. That's the end of the day sun right there. Hit that W right in. Also got these. Now these, like I said earlier, I wash all of my jeans. I can make a video of how I shrink my jeans, but some of these I have to shrink. Like these I had to shrink. The frayed bell-bottom jeans I had to shrink. The distressed square grid jeans I had to shrink, and the green jeans I had to shrink. I mean, it's not major, but it's just like I said earlier, some things fit in my thighs and my butt, but it doesn't fit in my waist, and I'm not a belt person. I could wear a belt, but even when you wear a belt for jeans that don't fit you in your waist, it gives that bunched up look, and I'm just not going for that. So I did shrink these, and that's why the belt buckles are undid. But these are super cute, and guess what? You guessed right, these are also bell bottoms. They're also bell bottom jeans. I love bell bottom jeans. Like, I don't really know what it is, but child, I love it. Wish I get a thumbnail. Let me bring it on this side. It's my good side. Okay, bring it. Look how I threw it. Y'all, I smell so good. I got a new perfume today, and I literally smell like an angel came and kissed me. Like, I always smell good, but it's like a new level. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. This might be a long video, but I'm pretty sure people like long videos, because when I watch YouTube videos, I love watching long videos, like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But this won't be a 30-minute, 40-minute video. I'm pretty sure it's not. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I would call y'all friends, but I'm gonna see what I want to call y'all. I'm gonna call y'all butterflies or something like that, because this was very butterfly themed. I got like 4 things with butterflies on it, so I might supposed to call y'all butterflies or butterflies. Nah, I don't think I like it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and get to 1,000, because we're at 940, 50 right now. So let's get to 1,000. Hopefully by the time I upload this video, we're at 1,000 subscribers. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment. Do I have anything else to say? I don't think so. I smell good though. But I hope you enjoyed the video.